some pop cans today, and we have, remember from 2 videos ago? Yeah, I think so. He was in our 2 videos ago, so you should remember him. And yeah, so we're gonna explode pop cans today. Oh!
So we have a root beer, we have an icy, and we have a LaCroix. We're going to be seeing which one explodes the biggest, and yeah. So we're gonna shake them up now, and then we'll. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the icy, and then we're going from the LaCroix and then to the root beer.
2, 1, go! Oh shoot! Oh! Let's go look at the damage. Where did it explode from?
The bottom.
Oh, cracked open. Yeah, it did. That cracked open. Yeah, we have some guests here. So cracked. Right from the bottom. Right there. So yeah. Oh yeah! Let's go see the damage. It spread on the side. Yeah. It got on the side. It cut right there. If you can see that right here. That's on the side. And right here. There and then there. And here. And there. So yeah. Another place with it. Now we're gonna do the root beer. Go see the damage. Ooh, look at this. Oh! Right? It opened from the top. Opened from the top, yeah. Then. So guys, what do you think exploded the most?
The root beer.
Root beer.
Your root beer.
Ben? Root beer?
I guess it will.
Which one?
I don't know.
I say root beer too.
Yeah, probably.
So yeah, we'll get you later when, I don't know, we'll get you later when we end. This bottom.
Save it. Okay, so Sam's gonna do this lemonade challenge. It's drink mix. So yeah, he's gonna try and he's gonna dump it all in his mouth.
Oh.
And it's probably gonna be really sour. And yeah, we're gonna do that now. So it's powder, and it's gonna be like really, really sour.
I'm gonna get half and he's gonna have half.
Yep.
So yeah. And Porch is gonna watch us cry.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Like babies. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Countdown.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Is it sour? Oh!
What is happening? It's sour.
It's sour.
Oh my god.
Oh, Sam's dying now.
Guys, the people that do the sour challenge, put this crap in there. Oh my god.
He's crying now because it's sour. Alright, my turn now.
Guys, now Ben's gonna do it.
It's my turn now. Oh boy.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. You cheater! His cheeks are red. Oh! I have so much laughter in me. I'm just. Oh, you're such a cheater! He's such a cheater! He spit that out! Cheater! I'm living so